So back in Kefalonia, got second barbecue on, some kind of cured sausage. We'll get them on first. I have a feeling they're cooked already, I'm not quite sure. It's hard to read the Greek, so just get them on, get them going a little bit, and move them over a little. Get these burgers on as well. These are a nice little pork burger. There we go, so could be interesting with one hand in a spoon. So there we are. So pork burger on. Back to my second barbecue in Kefalonia. So you can see, thank you there, sausages do nicely. I've turned the pork burgers over, looking really good. They are looking juicy. This is going to be incredible. What an amazing lunch. Bit of sausage and burger. I think tomorrow I might be thinking about some belly pork. Let's see how it goes. But charcoal's doing very nicely. I think in some ways it could do with a few holes in the base to let some airflow in. But the heat's pretty good. It's gentle, strong. Notice I've not burned my burgers. That's the worst you can do. So many people eat burnt food on a barbecue, and you've got to question, why are you doing that to yourself? That's just gross, it's not nice. No one wants to eat charcoal, it doesn't taste good. What you want is like a nice smokiness, and that's a burnt flavour. I'm going to swap these inside and out in a minute. Just going to let the burgers get just sealed a little bit more. And we're going to swap them inside out, a little bit cooler on the sides. So there we go. Come back in a sec. Okay then people, we're back on the second barbecue in Kefalonia. So you've drawn me back, we're near the end. So I've dropped my pickles on top. This is Turkish style, what they do in the kebab shops. So that pitta there is just going to slightly absorb a bit of the oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move these aside. So we turn them over. I'm just going to drop my meat on top for just a second, just let that absorb a bit. Quite easy to do. So it just gives it a little bit of that juice. These can get turned over. My lovely sausages. Oh, they're looking incredible. Definitely. There we go. And then we'll just get those burgers back in. Burgers in. And we'll do the other side of the pita breads. This time I'll just get a bit more meat juice, a bit more warm in. So that'll be. Okay, so we're ready. It didn't take very long. So pork burgers, pork sausage. Got a nice couple of Greek salads with actually fig and balsamic dressing. This one's got lemon, a bit of the balsamic, olives. We've got some dips, some lucky pittas, toast salata, some chips. Actually, do you know what? And this stuff's pretty good. This is Lidl, 12.5%, but actually it was like €3. It's actually really quite good for you know, if you get it chilled. It's looking good. So there you go. So that's our second Kefalonian barbecue.